Hi everybody, today I'm going to replace my original hubcaps with aftermarket hubcaps, and they were generously sent by EVBASE, and so this is a sponsored video, but my review will be completely unbiased, and I will tell you everything I like and don't like about those hubcaps. So let's get started. So first you need to remove the hubcaps, obviously, so let's do that. So here is the original hubcap, and it surrounds basically the spokes, the original spokes of the wheel. So what you do is you locate these gaps, right? And you pull, oh, something broke. And you pull like this, okay? And then afterwards, you go here and you try to get it like that. Now let's see if something actually did break here. So this is the original one. Doesn't look like anything broke. Maybe it was just a stone. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the rest. So again, you go from this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, and then you try to get it together. Really, really horrible design. I feel like I'm breaking them now, but here I got it out. Okay, so I opened the packaging. Each hubcap is separated by this foam and this bubble wrap, and here they are. The kit comes with this tool. I actually didn't know that they included it, but this helps remove the original hubcaps by just coming from under and being able to pull. So you come under and you pull. This would make it much easier to remove the original hubcaps. Maybe I'll show you at the end of the video how it's done with the original hubcaps. Next, they give you these caps, which you can change to whatever you want, and they go over like this. They are sticky on the back, so I would recommend using some alcohol. Clean this section well so they adhere very well. I know that they sell other styles of this, like ones with T and other stuff, like T in different ways of design. But this is what they shipped with this, and I like that actually. Then they give you this foam, which you're supposed to install all around the perimeter of the hubcap. I wish that this would be installed already on the hubcap. All right, so here we are. First step, I would say, is to put these caps on, and I would recommend using some alcohol to rub the plastic so it really does adhere to the plastic well. So just go like this. Would have been nice to have a tab here. Okay. Don't do that. Okay. All right, so next they provided us with this foamy stuff, and we're going to install it all around the perimeter of the inner side of the hubcap. So let's go ahead and do that. Oops, away. I already did one and I forgot to click record. And when you reach the end, you can just put your nail right there and cut it. Okay. All right, so let me show you how it goes on the wheel. All right, so here we are. Here's the original wheel. Here's the hubcap that we just put the foam in the back. Now you want to put the hole, this inflator hole, to match where the nipple of the air inflator is. So position it like this, make sure it's so the trick is to first press on the inside. And this is it. This is how it looks like. I'm going to put the rest of them and then I'll show you how it looks finished. I got to say, this black one without the T kind of doesn't look that great. I don't know. We'll see a little bit later what I think about it. Okay, so let's put this one too. Align the hole. Right here. Good. Put in your comments. Tell me what you think. Is this better than the original? I like them a lot, actually. Maybe at some point I'll replace these with ones that have a T in them. Okay. Now, if you want to get this hubcaps for your car, I'll put a link in the description with a discount code that you can use to make the purchase just a little bit less expensive or more affordable. All right, now let me show you how to remove them and install the originals back. Okay, so you basically just pull here, pull here, pull here, pull here, pull here. Okay, now let's put the original ones back on. So you align the hole with this, right? First go with the middle. Then, okay, make sure it's all like that. Now let me show you how to remove the original hubcap with the tool that was provided from EVBASE. So they tell you to go like this here and to pull. I actually think it's easier to just go like this. Okay. So you go like this, right? You remove the outside perimeter. Now you go from here and you pull. I don't know what's easier, honestly. I showed you both ways, but it's nice that they included a tool with the kit. Okay, so let's put this back. All right, if you have any comments or questions, please put it in the comment box below. Don't forget to thumb up, subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till next time, bye.